Okay, I'm ready. That's a slow stick doing a loop. It's the only slow stick I've seen to do that kind of loop. Bob thinks he has a 3D plane there.
I'll be able to do a knife edge now.
Yeah. What prop did you put on?
What'd you give me, Greg? 9.7?
9.6.
I think it's just right for it. Takes off nice. That's my spiral roll there. It's the best it'll do.
You can do that all day long. As long as Greg's battery held out, huh?
See, it wants to dive just a little bit. Yeah, and I'd say the battery needs to come back a little more.
Yep.
Coming in, coming in, coming in. Maybe.
Over here, Bob. Not on the...
Oh. What's that chair doing sitting there?
I wish I'd moved the camera down to get that. I was still looking up, holding it up. Jim, I never thought. Did you happen to check the motor, see if it was hot?
No. Couldn't have been. We still dive. It's wanting to go left real bad. Why is that?
Yeah, a little while ago I gave it some right trim. It was.
Because it's worse now than it was. See, it still was wanting to turn to the left, I think. I bet I knocked the wing held together.